Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about futures and the actual importance of technical analysis of what exactly we need to do to know where the trade will move and how to really to execute on it. So in our last video we actually spoke about how to do interactive brokers account, and why we want to make sure that we have a brokerage is because they will broker our trade. So we basically will buy from them a contract, a lot, or whatever it is, and then we will sell it in the near future, or we will hold for a very long time with them. So it's important to understand why you want a brokerage that is actually credible one, because for the long term you want to make sure that they will be around. And sometimes there is brokerages that are not sticking around for a long time, or they are smaller and their executions will not be on the price that you want to sell. So hopefully you don't experience that. But now this video is about really how to set up your trading view, okay, and the process of it. So TradingView setup is a lot faster. The reason that we want to do TradingView setup is because what happened with that, okay, you basically number one, it's one of the best charting platform out there. Okay, so it's very easy to guide, easy to navigate, and it's very fair in pricing. Okay, with interactive brokers, their platform in charting is not as friendly, like user friendly, so it's a bit more complicated. Okay, um, so with TradingView as well, you have paper trading on a central account, and um, and you have connections to many brokers, which we will talk about in a bit of either a later video or maybe a bit later in this video. Okay, so will be very important to learn some stuff about that. So you can see that also they are trading all around the world, around the world companies. So all the companies are on there. It's going from stocks to options to futures to currencies to forexes to everything that you need. You have here, actually you can see right here, even bonds, commodities, and all of that stuff that you need, ETFs, everything. Okay, so what you need to do to sign up with TradingView, it's basically go to tradingview.com or use the link in our description. Okay, so then what happened, you go to get started and you can sign up for $0. With $0 you have limited amount of stuff that you can do, but you still can do it. So if someone is tight on cash and want to first really learn more about the trading of and get the hands dirty with TradingView, then you can do that and you don't need to pay while you learn so much. Okay, it's something that I did when I started because I didn't know if I will be committed with it or not. So I started with $0 and I said, let me try, understand where is the trend lines, how do I chart this, how do I put those triangles to make supply and demand, and all of those stuff were a question in my mind, especially myself. I'm not as technical friendly, um, so I had to make sure that I don't sign up for something that I'm not using constantly, and yet they are billing me constantly. They will never ask, hey, you use, don't pay. Okay, so there is over 60 million traders that are actually using it. Okay, a lot of people use it, even my mentor using that. Now you can trade also with no charts, but it will be very useful to actually have a chart and trade based on technical analysis, and have easier ways of trading. Okay, it's very user friendly, has a lot of amazing functions, and a lot of different ways to make it easier for you as a user friendly. Okay, then there is a non-professional and professional. No really reason to go to professional unless you really have your own company and you invest a good amount of money to, and you need all those different things that, um, I don't know. I don't see so much value in all of them, but you might. Okay, so to start, I definitely recommend to start with either the essential, or if you want to have some things like, some things like. I tell you right now, they just came out with that. It's a footprint, okay, footprint chart, okay. Then basically you want to have minimum the premium, because they don't give you that without the premium, okay. But you can start with essential. I myself also have essential, and depends also what I will give you a little tip on that, okay. A little tip on that, it's if you are thinking to sign up with essential, it's $155 a month. If you don't do monthly, then it will cost you a bit more, okay. But it's good to do yearly, okay. uh, Cheaper for you, and if you're already committing to do that for a year-long lifelong, because it's something that you will need to do for a long time. If you're in the day trading, if you are in the investments, you don't really need that too much, okay. If you are going just for investments. However, if we're speaking here day trading and futures, so what you want to understand here, it basically will be great to go for the yearly plan. And if you're seeing this video and it's close to some type of a, like a big holiday that they're giving great discounts, like a Black Friday, like New Year's, okay, like Boxing Day, and all those that are closer towards the end of the year, they have great promotion of like half off, and other ones that you can wait. Some people don't like to wait. Let me get right into it and learn everything I need to. So you can do that. You can also do 30 days, 30 days free, and then get to the plan of the essential, or pay now and you basically skip the trial period and you get right away the essential, okay. So let's say an example, you pay now and you choose this essential. All you need, it's not as complicated of a process as let's say an example, brokers like interactive brokers and others, okay. All you will need is basically sign up with Google. You can sign up with an email. You can sign up with other ways that you want, okay. If you will want to, let's say an example, share your login information, okay, and you don't want to share your login information to your Gmail, okay, then I would recommend you to go with email sign up, okay. If you are going to use it only for yourself, or know that you will give it to somebody and don't want to share your Gmail login information, then that's your other option, to do that email, okay. And then you can put whatever is your email address, you put whatever is the password, okay. You make sure that it's not a robot, maybe whenever time will come that robots see those videos as well, so they want to verify that we are humans. And then we create an account. That's it. You basically will go to the next page that will be for payment. You put your payment details, and that's it. It will be automatic. So then once you put that information, email and password, it will go to the next page, and it will be right away for sign up. Okay, you sign up with payment. You will put the payment information, and then it will be renewal yearly. Okay, so just so you know that, and that's it. Okay, so you can read over the type of plans that you have here, and type of features that you will be receiving. Honestly, 5 indicators, more than enough on a chart. I use one indicator, and also very rarely. Most used indicators will be like RSI, moving averages, MD, like volume, and that's it. Okay. Alerts, to put 20 alerts, more than enough, because as you put alerts, one goes and then you have one empty again. You put 20, 19, like, you will not have 20, 30 trades at the same time, especially not at the beginning. By the time you get to need this other plan, which will be $25 a month, you will be able to have 100 alerts, and already you will be more profitable. You will be able to put the business money, the trading money, into your future plans as well. So I always like to do that in such a way that I don't put money out of my pocket. I put a little bit and then play with that to grow that to whatever it is. So that's my business. Okay. Versus if you have to put a lot of money and then you burn them, it's not as pleasant to lose your, your money over the market money that you gained. Will be great. Let's say an example, you put 10, 15, $20,000. You made $30, $30,000. So then you take out your 10,000, 15,000, and now you trade on 15,000 of the market. So number one, you double your money. Number two, you know what you're doing. You're starting to get much better. Okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much what you can see here. And you also can then put two charts. Okay, you can do two charts, which actually it's funny enough, it's on each one here, it gives you explanation better than I will be able to give you. All I can tell you, it's all you need to do, it's start with something that will get you moving. Okay, get you going, and that's it. The rest, don't focus on it for now. I don't think it will be necessary. There is quite a bit regardless that you will be learning. Don't um, don't put too much information that is unnecessary. Focus on what's most important, and it is basically understanding the charts. Okay, doing the technical analysis, opening your account, and starting the flow. Okay, starting the flow, it's very important. Thank you for watching. We'll be happy to hear what you are thinking about this video. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Make sure that you leave them in the comments below. Compliments, feedbacks, anything are more than welcome. And my name is Avi Aronov. I am appreciating your time to look at this, and hopefully you learn one thing or two. And we will see you in the next one.